Today, we will listen to a short English composition called Customs and Traditions in Romania. Romania has many beautiful customs and traditions that are part of its culture and history. Many of these traditions are connected to holidays, seasons, and family life. During winter holidays, people follow many old traditions. Children and young people go caroling and sing traditional songs from house to house. At Easter, families decorate eggs and prepare special traditional food. People also attend church services and celebrate together. In many villages, traditional festivals take place during the year. People wear traditional clothes, dance folk dances, and listen to traditional music. Romanian traditions are also connected to nature and the seasons. For example, people celebrate the arrival of spring with special customs and decorations. These traditions help people remember their history and pass their culture from one generation to another. In my opinion, Romanian customs and traditions are very beautiful because they keep the culture alive and bring people together.